Hi everyone. In this video, we will show you how to download Google Play Store on iPhone. First of all, open up the web browser on your phone. Now, in the web browser, tap on the search bar. Then search here for Play Market. After that, tap Android apps on Google Play. It will take you directly to Google Play. Then, tap on the TikTok app from here. Now, from here, tap on the Install button. After that, tap on the Share icon from the bottom bar. Then tap on the Add to Home screen from the drop-down menu. Now, you can enter the title of your app. Once you enter the title, tap on Add from the top right corner. And then, you can see the app on the home screen. Thanks for watching, like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.